وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا بما أنزل الله قالوا نؤمن بما أنزل علينا ويكفرون بما وراءه وهو الحق مصدقا لما معهم قل فلم تقتلون أنبياء الله من قبل إن كنتم مؤمنين.
When they are told, believe in what Allah has revealed, they say, we believe only in what was revealed to us, Israel. They deny everything else, even though it be the truth which confirms what they possess. Say to them, if indeed you are believers, why is it that in the past you killed the prophets of Allah who were from Israel?
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَكُمْ مُوسَى بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمُ الْعِجْلَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ وَأَنْتُمْ ظَالِمُونَ.
Moses came to you with clear proofs, and yet you were so wont to wrongdoing that as soon as he was gone, you took to worshipping the calf.
وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَرَفَعْنَا فَوْقَكُمُ الطُّورَ خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ بِقُوَّةٍ وَاسْمَعُوا قَالُوا سَمِعْنَا وَعَصَيْنَا وَأُشْرِبُوا فِي قُلُوبِهِمُ الْعِجْلَ بِكُفْرِهِمْ قُلْ بِئْسَ مَا يَأْمُرُكُمْ بِهِ إيمانكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
Recall the covenant we made with you and cause the mount to tower above you, stressing, hold to what we have given you with full strength and give heed to it. But their forefathers said, we hear, but we disobey. For their hearts were overflowing with love for the calf because of their unbelief. Say, if you are people of faith, then evil are the things that your faith enjoins upon you.
قُلْ إِن كَانَتْ لَكُمُ الدَّارُ الْآخِرَةُ عِندَ اللَّهِ خَالِصَةً مِّن دُونِ النَّاسِ فَتَمَنَّوُا الْمَوْتَ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
Say to them, if indeed the last abode with Allah is yours, in exclusion of other people, then long for death if you are truthful.
وَلَن يَتَمَنَّوْهُ أَبَدًا بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِالظَّالِمِينَ.
But they shall never long for it, because of the evil deeds they have committed. Allah is well aware of the wrongdoers.